So anak, this is it. You're finally going to Canada, and I know you're very, very happy about it. And I am happy for you, of course. But syempre, I, I I can't help but be sad because my little girl is will be living far away from us. I would like to say thank you for being such a wonderful daughter. You are more than what I've asked God to give me. When I first knew that I was pregnant, I've always wanted to have a girl as my firstborn. And God gave me you. And He gave me more than what I've asked for. He gave me a very, very nice daughter. Patient one. Probably even more patient than I am. Naturally kind. Kahit siguro hindi kita naturuan maging mabait. Mabait ka na talaga, maski nung baby ka pa. And I want you to continue to be kind to everyone that you encounter. But that doesn't mean that you will not fight for what you think is right for you. You can be kind, but while knowing that you have your rights at dapat hindi ka nagpapaisa sa mga tao. Alam ko naman, alam mo yun. Pag alam mo na iniisahan ka na, lumaban ka din. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na ang pagiging mabait ay pagiging martir or pagiging tanga. So, marami akong iniisip pag alis mo. But I hope that you will, dahil malayo ka na, you know how I am very protective of you and Matthew. But I know that as a mom, there will come a time when I have to let go of my babies. So that I think, and this is the time. I am happy that you're conquering your dreams, that there's a lot of opportunities for you out there. And a brighter future is ahead of, a possibility for a brighter future is ahead of you as you go to Canada. Take every opportunity that is given to you. Never ever doubt yourself. Magaling ka, matalino ka. Everybody likes you. And I'm so happy that everybody likes you. Everybody who gets to know you, they really, really like you.